Hey guys, it is now past the 3 days of the bacon and egg fast, and I feel great. So, first, before we get into it, I've already recorded this once, so now I'm going to try to make sure I touch on every subject again, but quicker. So, last week, you guys know I cheated twice, so that did affect my weight. So let's look at my weight results and where I was before. So before last week, the lowest weight I ever reached, which is the lowest weight I think I ever reached with keto, was 206.9 pounds. So, nope, 206.7 pounds. But technically that was right after a cheat day, so sometimes that can happen. Anyway, 206.7 pounds, but 206 point something was the lowest weight that I had reached on keto so far. So that's kind of the baseline of like, that could possibly be where I was. So anything less than that is likely partial fat loss as opposed to water bloat. So when I started this, I cheated twice last week on the Wednesday night for a meal, and this Saturday, pretty much the whole afternoon. You guys know I had sangria, so I had a lot of sugar. I was out of ketosis completely. And so on Monday, on day one of the bacon and egg fast, before I started, I weighed in at 210.2 pounds. So some of that was bloat, but 3 to 4 pounds of that was bloat. And then the second day, that morning, I weigh in around the same time every morning. Like I always weigh in the morning, go to the bathroom, no clothes on, weigh yourself. And I weigh myself a couple of times because my weight scale sometimes does slightly different weights depending where you stand. So I will weigh myself 5 to 10 times and take the average, or take the one that comes out the most. Usually it's a middle number, not the really high one, not the really low one. So second day, I dropped 2.2 pounds, 208 pounds that morning. I was like, awesome, most of the bloat is gone. Let's keep doing this. So then the morning of the third day, I weighed in at 206.5. So I went, oh, okay. So not only did I lose all the bloat that I had, I now am 0.4 pounds less than what I was. Awesome. So I was really happy, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to be a little bit surprised if I lose much more than this, because some of this is fat at this point. Like some of it has to be fat, because I have not physically, unless I'm like dehydrating myself, but I'm not. I drink 4 liters of water every day at least. So this morning, after 3 days of a bacon and egg fast, I weighed in at 204 pounds on the nose. Yes, lowest weight I have been since starting keto. I am so close to the wonderland, so 100 something pounds or less, so 199.9 or less. I'm so excited. 204 pounds was my goal to reach for this month, so now I want to surpass it, ideally if possible, because I have 8 days left, something like that, just whatever. I have a week left basically to surpass that, so I can get lower than that. That'd be amazing. We'll see, because I am going home to my parents, and it is hard to stay on keto with them around, tempting me with their delicious foods. So in total, I lost 6.2 pounds in 3 days on a bacon and egg fast. And I will remind you, a bacon and egg fast is not actually a thing. So what I did was I took the general rule from what I had heard for the egg fast, which is eat eggs when you're hungry, and 1 tablespoon of fat per egg. And from this guy who did a bacon experiment where he just ate bacon for 30 days. And then some people did it for a week as well. So I just kind of merged the two into this little baby and figured, well, that's, typical foods that people like to eat. They'd be easy to combine, or you could eat them separately if you got sick of one of them. And I'm so happy I did. So happy I did. So please let me know if you are going to take this same bacon and egg challenge. I'd say at least do 3 days. If you can handle longer, do longer, because you guys saw that I started to cheat a little bit, and by the 3rd day I was like, I just want to eat a pickle. I just want to eat my pickles, because I have a bucket of pickles waiting for me. So I am definitely gonna do this again. Like, the next time I bloat up, pretty much anytime I bloat up, I think I'm gonna do it for at least 2 days to drop that bloat, because it was amazing. My stomach slimmed down. I know my stomach physically got smaller than it was before, so I know I've lost fat, and I'm so excited. So please let me know if you were gonna try the bacon and egg fast. Let me know what your results end up being, and I'll see you guys in today's video. I'll see you guys later. Be sure to subscribe if you wanna see more like this and more weight loss journey stories. Bye!